before the Tesla, get the iPhone. Bravo wanted a Tesla. He saw a Tesla and he said, Daddy, he was speaking to Jehu, his father. I need the Tesla. I need the Tesla, he said. And Jehu, his father, said, before the Tesla, get iPhone. What kind of phone are you using? Jehu asked his son. And he said, I'm using a very low phone. He said, well, have you heard that the iPhone 12 Pro Max is out? He said, yes, Daddy, I've heard of that. He said, well, get that first, then you can get the Tesla. Because you see, your faith is like muscles. And when you exercise your faith little by little, it will grow big. Handle the iPhone, and then you can handle the Tesla. How can I do that, Dad? The son asked his father. And he said, very simple. Exercise your faith. I said, okay, can you show me how? He said, no problem. You see, it starts with your desire, my son. What things soever you desire. When you pray, believe that you receive them and you shall have them. It all begins with your desires. His father said, the first thing is desire the iPhone. By the way, what kind of iPhone do you desire? He said, I desire the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Oh, wonderful. Now, that's it. Why are you not asking for any other? He said, because you have to be specific in your desires. Now that it is iPhone 12 Pro Max that you desire, it is different from iPhone X or any other iPhone. So that by the time you get it, you know that your faith has given you what you are looking for. So now your desire is clarified. You are not double-minded. You are not thinking about iPhone, Samsung, and all the other phones. You have isolated your desire. You know it exactly. My son, that is how to go about that. Now, you can pray. So he said, okay, Dad, how do I pray? He said, prayer is simple. You just speak out and said, oh, I need the iPhone 12 Pro Max. You say, God, I need the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I receive it now. It is mine. I ask for it, But my son, let me also point something here. That prayer is not just you speaking about what you desire. Prayer also has to do with bringing your strong reasons. What is the reason behind your desire for the iPhone 12 Pro Max? Is it just because you want to show it to your friends? Is it just because you want people to know that you have a phone? No, if you go that way, it's wrong. You have to have a reason for it. Can you give me a reason? Jehu asked his son. Oh, Dad, I want to be a YouTuber, he said. I'll be able to take pictures, I'll be able to have clean pictures, and then I can do a lot of good things with it. I could snap pictures, I could do YouTube, TikTok, I could do a lot of things with it. I will be able to use it as a tool to make money. That is right, Jehu said to his son. You see, you are not only praying, but you are praying with reasons. You have produced your strong reasons. It is these reasons that will push your mind towards attaining your desires. So my son, because you are not double-minded, you are going to get the iPhone. Okay, is that all I need to do? The son asked his father. No, my son. After you have prayed and you believe, to help your faith, you could get the picture of the iPhone. Get the picture of the iPhone, the type you want, the color you want, and take it out and paste it on your mirror or on the front cover of your laptop. Make it your laptop screen so that every morning, anytime you come to your laptop to work, you will see it. Oh, Dad, that's cool. I'll be seeing it all the time. Yes, you need to be seeing it all the time to remind yourself. But that aside, you also need to feel that you have it. The feeling is very important. Feel that you have it. How do you feel when you have it? Oh, I will be excited. I will be ecstatic. I will walk differently. I will be so excited. I will carry it. I will move around and take pictures. Oh, I cannot explain the feeling, but it is a feeling of achievement. It is a feeling of victory. It is a feeling that is good, Daddy. Oh, so you have to feel that. You have to feel like that before it comes, and you have to feel like that constantly. Oh, is that how to get it done? Sure, my son. Is that all? The next thing, of course, is as you begin to feel like that, begin to think. As you think about it, begin to find out ways. How do I get it? Begin to think about ways to get it. And then the idea to get it will come to you. Oh, Dad, I need ideas. Sure, to get it. Of course, it's in the market. You can't just go and pick it like that. You need ideas. For instance, an idea could come to you that your dad, could buy it for you. Yes. An idea could come that, okay, you could do some assignments for somebody and still be able to buy it. Yes. An idea could come that someone could just favor you and give you. Yes, but you have to find the idea that ensures that you have it. And that idea should come now. With that idea, then you have to take action. Oh, thank you, Dad. I now know what to do. That was how the son stepped out and put his ideas into practice. He came back home smiling. Dad, I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Well done, my son, the dad said. Now you can stretch your faith for the Tesla. Well, you need the Tesla? Exercise your faith for the iPhone 12 Pro Max first. If you cannot somersault when you are young, you cannot somersault when you are old. If you cannot achieve the small, the big will be too big for you. Start small, but don't remain small. And keep exercising your faith muscles. The Tesla is yours.